Alright, hello, my name is Daniel, and this is another Emacs tutorial video. And what I'm going to be showing you guys in this video is how to find help for yourself, how to find what you need to know, the information that you want from within Emacs, because Emacs has a very robust documentation and a very vivid, very strong manual as well. So you're saying, okay, how do I get that? Now, if you're at the startup message, I mean right here, like when you start up Emacs and this is the first thing you've seen, if you haven't disabled it, you can simply go over here, view Emacs Manual. So you just press the link and voila, you're right here. Alright, cool. Now you might be saying, alright, cool, but what if I'm not in the startup message? What if I'm like programming or in some other buffer or whatever? That's completely cool. So let's imagine this is another buffer. It can be whatever you want. What you're gonna have to do is press Control H and then press R. So Control H R, and that gives you, and that makes you come over here. Now, if you never used this before, Emacs tells you right here, type H to read the basic introduction, so the basic commands on how to navigate and everything. So press H, read everything, and do all of that. Now, once you've done that, you probably read that if you press M, while you're still right here, for example, I press M right now, you should see the little mini prompt at the bottom asking me for a menu item. So for example, I want to learn about bookmarks. So all I got to type is BO, press tab. Look at that. Possible completions are bookmarks and borders X. I want bookmarks, so press O, tab completion, bam, bookmarks. So now I press enter. Look at that. It's already telling me everything I want to know about bookmarks. Control XRM, RB, RL, MX bookmark save. So yeah, so that's pretty much how you use it, man. And I mean, you just keep on reading it and everything, and it should look fine. Yeah. All right. So what you might be asking is, all right, cool. Since everything is in right there, what happens if I need a little bit more help, like some guidance or pointers on how to do things? Well, that's simple. There's a channel on IRC. If you never used IRC, that's completely cool. I'm gonna show you guys how to use it right now. So just a very quick introduction. So I'm gonna go to Chrome. So if you have an IRC, then if you know about what IRC is and you're comfortable, then you're all good. You just need to know the channel name. But for example, I'm gonna just pretend that you never heard of IRC. You don't know what it is. I'm gonna show you. So go to Google Chrome or whatever browser and press Web IRC and then press enter. So, okay, cool, I get this little QERC, whatever. Just click one. Doesn't matter which one. They're all the same. So, okay, cool. I'm going to go to try me. Right there. Alright, cool. Now it's going to ask me for a nickname. So just push whatever. It doesn't matter. And then right here, it's going to give you it's going to ask you for a channel name. So there's a channel called Emacs. That's basically where everybody hangs out. But also, there's another one called Emacs Beginners. I'm basically the guy, one of the operators in the channel, so I tend to be there as much as I can, so I can help you guys out. So remember, so it's put 2 pound signs or hashtags or whatever your kids call it, and then Emacs Beginners, alright? And just press whatever you want right here. It doesn't matter what you type. And then just press start. And it's going to connect, and you're going to see it right now. Hopefully this doesn't take long. Alright, sweet. So joining channel. Right now you're gonna see my name over here. So look at that, Gopar. That's me. So most of the guys right here will be able to help you. And you see there's the username that you just type. So yeah, so you can ask your question right here, type your message right here, press enter, and if someone's around, they'll try to help you. You can also ask in the other channel that I was saying, the Emacs, and how you can do that is do a /join pound sign Emacs. So I'm not sure if you can see that. Hopefully you can. So /join space pound sign Emacs. So do that, and look at that. There are way more users right here. 895. The other one is barely 7, since it's about 2 weeks old from the making of this video. So yeah, it's relatively new, but this one's pretty old. So you see, it's already people are talking. So you see, yeah, some eLisp code and all that good stuff. So yeah, that's basically kind of like an introduction of how to be self-sufficient, self-help. So yeah, so trust me guys, you're gonna need the documentation, the manual a lot. You're gonna learn a lot of stuff. But of course, I understand that once you're new, you kind of have trouble finding or have trouble describing what you want. If you join those channels, we can help you out. We can point you to the right direction, give you some pointers and stuff like that. So yeah, don't be afraid to ask questions, man. Leave if you have any questions, leave it on the YouTube channel, YouTube comment or whatever, and I'll try to answer. So yeah, hope this video helps in some way. Sweet. Alright. and save.